All right, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday, happy Memorial Day. Once again, thank you to our servicemen and women for everything they've done for the country and for our freedom. And so here we are for part two. There's homeboy. Anyway, here we are for part two this morning on our home waters. Real nice morning starting out. Looks good. Lake is flat. So we're going to go out here and see what we can get done. And wanted to kind of talk about the video yesterday. So me being the dummy that I am,
yes.
it's almost 100 degrees outside yesterday, which got the camera hot. But then I'm sitting there with a external battery pack hooked to it as well. So I kind of just overheated the camera and I lost a lot of great footage. Jason and I had another double up on a piece of structure, a telephone pole. We caught a fish on either side of it at basically the same time. And some other footage. We were actually fishing some drop-offs or ledges yesterday, about 14 foot deep, and pulling some bass out of that. And the camera it was just so hot and everything, it wouldn't stay on. And anyway, I lost a lot. It's my fault. But anyway, we're going to get out here and get to work and see if we can get something going today. It's all right. It's frog bass.
Tell me he didn't want that thing.
There you go. Oh, yeah.
I mean, he ate it.
Oh, man, that's awesome, Jay. Look at that. Look at choke that frog, man.
God, dog.
Mm.
That sucker was in his gullet.
Yes, sir. Oh.
He was hungry.
Good frog bite. Ooh, that was cool, man. Oh, man, guys. Oh. Good morning, sexy dog. Mm. Oh, these bass. Well, you seen Jason's awesome frog bite a minute ago. These little male bass are feeding up really shallow this morning. I just caught this fish out of 2 inches.
Right after you caught him, one hit right at the grass right there.
Oh, that pile right there?
I mean, probably we couldn't see his whole body.
Nice. Took it down without a sound. Oh, yeah, man.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one. Monday morning frog bassing.
Yeah, I love it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good one, buddy. Get a little shot of him. That little white bass chasing a little swim bait. Mm. Now look at that. Man, that's a little bitty one right there. You know what? White bass are so much more fun to catch on a single hook.
Oh, yeah. That's my goal. Because if you get into them, you don't want to
Well, you get every darn one of them stuck in them. Dadgum, that's a good fish. I don't know what it is, but I think I've got it foul hooked. Yeah. I don't think it's a white, though. I hope it's not a dadgum carp. And I hope I don't break it off, because he... Oh, is that a carp?
You got a carp?
Heck yeah, look at that crap. Oh my Lord. Hey, can you get that slimy thing off for me, bro? Jason's like, thanks a lot. Yeah, he's huge. Look at him. Oh, come back here. Golly. Okay, settle down, guy. We're going, I got me a marlin. Look at this thing, dude. Okay, I will say that's definitely a first. I've never had one hit a swim bait like that. I'm sure somebody in the world has, but yeah. Oh no, no, don't get hit in the eye now. Where's your bow rig when you need it? Oh, shoot. Oh, dude, there's no, I mean, I just foul hooked him, didn't I?
Yeah.
Drug it right across his face. Ooh, thank you.
Your line, dude.
All right, thanks.
There's your cart.
Woo! Well, that's going to be the record today. Thanks, Jay.
About 7 pounds.
Yeah. 7-pound cart. What's your PB? So, buddy.
Well, we're on the white.
We on the whites. He's hot and he's hooked. Woo! Watch your face, Jay.
No, don't pull it in my face.
You're good. You're good. Oh yeah! Woo! Oh, so glad I didn't catch him in the face.
I know. When you kept pulling up on it, I was like, ah.
Oh,
That's
thanks.
solid.
3?
3.5?
3.5? Yeah.
You want me to weigh it?
Sure. Oh man, wind-blown rocks, guys. Smashed it. That's a nice little fish. Look how thick that darn tail is, man. Look at that.
I'll be damned.
What?
I said 3.5. It's 350. On the money.
The human scale. Nice, man.
Swimming at me. Two and a half.
Yeah, good. Two and a half pounder. Oh. Oh, did you lose it?
Yeah, he popped off.
Dang it. Well, we had a double. There we go. He's got a lot of juice. Uh-oh. Oh. Nice. Nice fish.
This fish made that boil and something. My finger's got some balls.
All right, guys, just about to turn around and leave the ramp. Jason went ahead and took off. Both of us hot. It's really hot outside today. Oh my gosh. I think it's approaching 100 right now. But anyway, we had a really good day. Really good day, especially the morning hours. But anyway, we're calling it quits for today. It's a great Memorial Day weekend. Excellent day to go bass fishing. And anyway, guys, we really appreciate y'all watching. We're going to try to head out the next time and see what we can get done. We're approaching that time of year. We're going to have to start getting in there and cranking and going deeper. And, you know, a lot of the bass today, they were still hanging up shallow, and that was good. Catching them on plastics and doing some flipping and stuff. But anyway, guys, thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.